turn on these secret WhatsApp settings. Now, most people use WhatsApp every day, but very few know about the hidden tricks inside the app that can make messaging faster, safer, and smarter. From sending messages without typing to keeping your chats private, these simple tips can save time, protect your data, and improve your WhatsApp experience. And in this video, I'm going to show you 7 secret WhatsApp tricks you should start using today. Before we start, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Daily Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss helpful tech tips and hidden tricks that make your digital life easier. The first trick is voice typing. Instead of typing long messages, you can just tap the microphone icon and speak your message. WhatsApp will automatically convert your speech into text. This is perfect for when you're busy, in a hurry, or just don't feel like typing. Imagine sending long messages in seconds. It's a huge time saver. The second trick lets you read messages without triggering the blue ticks. You can preview messages directly from your notification panel without opening the chat. It's a simple trick that gives you more privacy while still keeping up with important messages. The third trick is fingerprint lock. If you have private chats or want extra security, this feature ensures that only you can open WhatsApp. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Fingerprint Lock, and enable it. Now, even if someone picks up your phone, your chats remain safe and secure. The fourth trick is sending photos without losing quality. Normally, WhatsApp compresses images, which reduces their quality. But if you send them as a document, they remain full resolution. This is perfect for sharing photos with friends, family, or even work-related images that need to stay sharp and clear. The fifth trick is pinning important chats. You can pin up to 3 chats at the top of your list, so your most important conversations are always easy to find without scrolling. The sixth trick is messaging yourself. This feature allows you to save notes, links, reminders, or anything important directly inside WhatsApp. Think of it as your personal notepad inside the app. Simple, fast, and very useful. The final trick is linked devices. This allows you to use WhatsApp on multiple devices like your laptop or tablet without needing your phone connected all the time. Just go to Settings, tap Linked Devices, scan the QR code, and you're all set. So those are 7 secret WhatsApp tricks you should start using today. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Daily Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily tech tips.